Wolf. It's a tire pump, tire inflator, up to 160 psi. We have a tire that needs pumping. It is at the minimal psi pressure. For this demonstration, it is difficult to see in bright light. We're at 0.0. We're going to set up to 36.0. And now we're going to place on our stem and lock down and read the tire pressure. We're at 16.0. Let's pump up. We're at 23.0. From 29.0 to 36.0 would take a minute's time to pump. As we are nearing our pump, we are almost completed. We're able to now take off. Remember, both ends are hot, and close up. With the pump reaching to its red level, it's time to recharge the unit by simply allowing the unit to cool off, opening up the top silicone door, and placing in the USB-C cable. While the unit is charging, the buttons are disabled. 11.1 volt tire inflator, 160 psi, we'll go over in detail. We have the valve hose about a foot, a carrying case, the USB-C-A charging cable for the top charge area. You have the volleyball, soccer, football pin, a tire inflator, and a bike inflator. You have a 12-volt adapter to the cigarette lighter and a special DIN with the extension cable. Last but least, the manual to go over on how to operate and what the unit is about. This is an 11.1 volt system with a built-in lithium battery with an on and off by a long press to turn the unit on with 4 dashes. You have a nice large window screen, and please remember to peel any stickers off the window display. We are showing 0.0 psi at 35.0 as an auto set and a battery in gold and a car. We have a plus, a minus, an on and off, an LED, and a 4 square button. As we press on the bottom for motorcycle, a 40.0 psi set. Again for a regular pedal bicycle at 38.0 set. Our bike takes about 55 psi. As we hold, it increases, and then we can short press for 5 increments, 0.5 that is. Make a mistake, we back out. And then we have basketball, and then a profile of standard, a manual setting. And then it goes back to the car. We're going to blow up a soccer ball. So this is a basketball look. A short press turns the pump on, and short press turns off. We're set at 8.0. We're going to increase it to 10.0. If we are in a low light situation, we have the low light button. By a long press, the light does not come on. By a short press, the light will come on, and a short press will give a rapid flash, a flicker flash, and then an SOS flash, and then off. For further information about the battery, please check online for further details. As we screw in the valve stem, the extension cable that's about a foot long, we securely lock down and we place in what we're going to pump. A basketball, a soccer ball, a football. It is recommended to lubricate the pin and then place in and then pump away by a short press. It should show the PSI pressure, 1.5, 2.0, and if you want to stop, simply short press. This ball has a leak, but at least it pumped up the ball to show. Small inflatables, we're going to set to the manual profile, and we're going to minimize the pump all the way down to about 2 psi. And then we're going to take the adapter off and place on the inflatable adapter. This is a plastic adapter. Please be careful. We're going to place in, hold, and short press on the pump. We're going to stop and pull out. Please refer to the owner's manual or the inflatable systems that you are pumping up for the proper PSI. This demonstration will put on the actual unit and screw on and show the amount of pressure and set up to 55 PSI. We have 11.5 in the pump right now. At 55.0 psi, the pump automatically shuts off. We can long press to shut off. If we short press, the light will not come on, so we need to long press for the light to be workable. And we're able to see and remove our stem. The stem may be hot and we'll twist around a little. Now we're able to shut off the whole unit for the next time of use. Turning back on is a long press and the light will default to the off state. With charging in a number of hours, we have a solid green light. For smartphones, emergency products, simply turn the unit on for power. We have USB-C to the Lightning. We have USB-A to Lightning. And the USB-A to Lightning is the only way that this will work and not the USB-C, which is only input for power. Warwolf, you get everything for inflatables, charging cable, power to a 12-volt outlet with the nice carrying pouch to put it all in, with the instruction guide not to lose has information, and to put the unit inside its nice soft type carrying case. I hope you enjoy your Warwolf battery powered tire inflator, flashlight, and emergency power bank. And thank you for viewing.